Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at rational numbers and the number line. If you've completed the grade 8 video of number line, today's lesson will be easier for you. So let's look at the number line. Here we go. So we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 going on that side to the right, and -1, -2, -3 continues like that on the left. And so let's do some examples. So locate the following numbers on the number line. So we have half, so it's between 0 and 1, half here. -3, -3. 2.5 between 2 and 3 like that, 2.5. -1.5, so we got -1.5 right there. So practice number 1. Locate the following numbers on the number line. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're back. So -1/3 right here. 2 1/4, 2 1/4 like that. 0.33, so between 0 and 1, 0.33 like that. -2.5, -2, -2.5, just like that. Okay, so just a reminder, if we're doing 1 minus 4 gives -3, on the number line we have 1 minus 4 like this, and it goes to -3. So what we're going to do is graph the following operations on a number line. So we're going to have some decimals here, and we're going to graph that on a number line. So 1.32 plus 2.05. So 1.32 is right here, plus 205 going to the right to 3.37, like that. B, -2.5, so -2.5 plus 3.12, so we're going to the right like that, and it gives 0.62. C, 1.6 like that, minus 1.7, so we're going to the left by 1.7, and we stop at -0.1. D, 3.02, so right beside 3, 3.02 like that, minus 4.64, so we're going left like that until -1.62. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 2, graph the following operations on a number line. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're back. So A, 2.31 is right here, to the right by 1.05 to 3.36 like that. B, -3.2 plus 2.7, so -3.2 is here, plus 2.7 to the right gives -0.5. C, 4.2 minus 3.43 going to the left here until 0.77. And D, 2.5 starting here, minus 4.27 like that, goes to -1.77. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.